Hello everyone. The African Congress for Transformation has called out Action SA over its top 10 most wanted prosecutions list, which includes ACT's leader Ace Magashule. Last week, Action SA launched the list in which it promises to prosecute within its first 100 days after taking over parliament should the party get an outright majority in the upcoming elections. Mashaba announced last week that there is indeed no better place to announce Action SA's list of top 10 most wanted prosecutions, where within 100 days after taking office following the 29 May elections, an Action SA-led government will introduce processes in parliament to ensure the quick and successful investigation and prosecution of implicated individuals. The list also includes MK party leader Jacob Zuma, Tender Premier Edwin Sodi, Deputy President Paul Mashatile, Bheki Cele, Zizi Kodwa, and David Mahlobo, among others. Mashaba said it was a travesty of justice that these individuals had not been made to account. The individuals named include those who are implicated in the state capture report that was presented to President Cyril Ramaphosa 2 years ago. Herman Mashaba further said that it was at the very compound that the Gupta family conspired with our president to capture our state, controlling the apparatus of government, deciding on key state appointments, and ultimately stealing an estimated 500 billion rand from South African people. It is a travesty of justice that 6 years since the state capture came to a supposed end with the election of President Cyril Ramaphosa, not a single successful state capture prosecution has taken place. Reacting to the inclusion of its leader, ACT said it was disturbed by the inclusion of Magashule in the list, including his image circulating by Action SA on social media. The party said, as the African Congress for Transformation, we were alerted by members of our party to a post on Twitter that purports to be from Action SA. The tweet included an image featuring 10 individuals who are alleged to be the most wanted prosecutions. The top 10 individuals include President General Ace Magashule, ACT President Zuma, Umkhonto weSizwe Party President, President Julius Malema, and several others. Typically, we refrain from commenting on political banter that adheres to socially acceptable norms. Nevertheless, this specific post by Action SA surpasses mere political banter and infringes upon the fundamental human rights and dignity of individuals. The post is potentially defamatory, which is a criminal offense in South Africa. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.